everyone, my name is Mary Carmen Monta and my pair for this discussion is Charis Zilayarte. So welcome to our math class with Miss Monta and Miss Zilayarte. So today we'll be talking about quadratic inequalities. So what is quadratic inequality? So quadratic inequalities is an equality that contains a polynomial of degree 2 and can be written in any of the following forms: ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, and so on and so far. So where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. So let's head on and listen to my discussion on how to solve quadratic inequalities. Hello everyone, my name is Mary Carmen Manta and today I will be discussing on how to solve quadratic inequalities. So as you can see, our given here is x squared plus 3x minus 10 is less than 0. So first step is to transform this equation into quadratic. So that becomes x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. And then we will factor out its factors. So its factors are 5 and 2. So x plus 5 times x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then we are gonna apply zero product property, which is ZPP. So x plus 5 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So that is x sub 1. Its x sub 1 is negative 5 and the x sub 2 is positive 2. So this is what we are gonna call our critical points. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our number line. So in our number line, over here, this is our number line. This is what we call our number line. We have negative 5, so negative 5, and positive 2, so positive 2. We're gonna add a broken line. Over here, gonna add our broken line to separate each region. That now this will be our region 1, region 2, and region 3. So as you can see, region 1 starts from negative 5 to lower, so negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, so on. And region 2 is starting from negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. So the region 2 is somewhere between region 1 and region 3. And region 3 is starting from positive 2, positive 3, and so on and so far. So let's start with our testing points. So as you can see, our x sub 1 here is negative 5. So x sub 1 is negative 5, so it becomes x is equals to negative 5. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy the given. So that is x squared plus 3x minus 10 is less than 0. Then what we're gonna do here is, you can see this is our x, and our x here is equals to -5, so we're going to replace x to -5. So -5 squared plus 3 times -5 minus 10 is less than 0. So then -5 squared plus 3 times -5, that is 10. Minus 10 less than 0. So 10 minus 10, that is 0. So is 10 less than 0? True or false? So that is false. Then let's head on to our x sub 2, which is 2. So that is x is equals to positive 2. Copy the given. Then I'm going to replace x to positive 2. Then 2 squared plus 3 times 2, that is equals to 10. Again, minus 10 less than 0. So 10 minus 10 is 0. Once again, it is false. Okay, so let's head on to our region 1. So this would be our region 1 over here. So let's head on to our region 1. So region 1, we have this over here. This is our region 1 over here. This is our region 1. So from -5, -6, and so on. And we're going to choose any number from region 1. So I'll be choosing -6. So that is x is equals to -6. And do the same method or the same thing as what we did in the testing point. So x squared plus 3x. We're going to copy the given. Then replace x with then -6 squared plus 3 times -6, that is 18, minus 10 less than 0. 18 minus 10, that is 8. So is 8 less than 0? No, that is false. So since this is false, we're not going to shade region 1. Because if it is true, if the solution, if this is part of the solution, if this is true, then we will be shading region 1. But since it is false, we will not be shading region 1. So let's add on to our region 2. So I'm going to choose any number from our region 2. So I will be choosing -3. -3, so that is x is equals to -3. So is -10 less than 0? Yes, so that is true. So since this is true, that is part of the solution. So we will be shading region 2. Region 2. We shaded region 2 since this region 2 is part of the solution. Then let's head on and move on to region 3. So in region 3, I chose one. So since it is false, we will not be shading region 3. Then forgot. Therefore, negative infinity to negative 5 is a union of positive 2 and positive infinity. So yeah, this is our conclusion. So thank you everyone for listening, and I hope you understood my discussion. Thank you for staying up until the end, and I will do my best in next discussions. Thank you.